Welcome everyone. This is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. This video continues the discussion of element 612 of ISO 9001:2015 standard, actions to address risks and opportunities. By the end, you will discover how to create an effective action list for your organization. Before we begin, click the subscribe button below not to miss our new videos. If you wish to stay to the end, I will share with you a link to a cool book on Lean ISO Management Systems. As you can see, this element refers to actions numerous times. Many companies respond to these requirements by creating action lists to document and track actions identified by various groups and departments. Management reviews document their action list. Operational reviews keep their own log. Internal auditors document their opportunities for improvements in another list. Gemba walks document their notes yet in another list, and on and on and on. While lots of companies use this approach, it is very impractical. To keep track of all these actions, one needs to dig into numerous records to manage the progress or lack of. If we agree that multiple action lists are a headache, then an obvious alternative is a company-wide action list, available to any group and any action owner. So let's design a versatile company-wide action list. We will use an Excel spreadsheet with the following columns. As in any log, it is helpful to have a line number for references, and this is our first feature. The next column is the date when we opened the action, followed by the group that originated the task. A simple drop-down Excel function can give you a selection of groups that initiated the action: management review, operational review, Gemba walk, internal audit opportunities, and others. The following column is the action itself: initiate requisition for the QMS admin position, or place 5S boards in the warehouse, etc. The next is the importance of an action, or the risk of not completing the task. This column is handy when one has few tasks assigned to them to sort the priorities. The scale here may be as simple as estimated 1, 2, 3, or if you wish, you may use FMEA analysis, showing the criticality of a task. The following columns are who is responsible, the due date, and the actual completion date. The last column in our action list is the most critical piece of information and the most overlooked data in many action lists. This column would contain the status of an action and the cause analysis if the task slipped off the schedule. This is all for today, guys. In the following video, we will talk about how to manage your action lists and how to analyze the effectiveness of your action process. Do not forget to visit our website. Go to the Academy page and look at our free downloads. Among those, you will find form templates that you can use to create your action lists. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. To learn more about Lean ISO Management Systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our following videos. I hope to see you then.